Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Kingston KSM 48T40BD 8KI 32HA, a 32GB DDR5 SODIMM RAM module designed to breathe new life into your laptop. If you're feeling held back by sluggish performance, especially in memory-intensive tasks, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. This Kingston module boasts a speed of 4,800 MHz and a CL40 latency. Now, what does that actually mean for you? In simple terms, it translates to faster data access, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier computing experience. Whether you're editing videos, running virtual machines, or juggling a dozen browser tabs, this RAM aims to keep up without breaking a sweat. The 32 GB capacity is a sweet spot for many users. It provides ample headroom for demanding applications and prevents your system from constantly relying on slower storage as virtual memory. This is particularly beneficial for content creators, gamers, and professionals who frequently work with large files or complex software. Kingston is a well-respected name in the memory industry, known for its reliability and quality. This module is no exception. It's built to meet JEDEC standards, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of laptops that support DDR5 SODIMM. Installation is generally straightforward, but always consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions. While the CL40 latency might not be the absolute lowest on the market, the 4,800 MHz speed helps to offset it, delivering a balanced performance profile. In real-world usage, the difference between slightly tighter timings and this configuration is often negligible for most users. The increased capacity and speed over older DDR4 modules will likely provide a more noticeable improvement. One thing to consider is the price. DDR5 memory is still relatively new, so it commands a premium compared to DDR4. However, if you're serious about maximizing your laptop's performance and extending its lifespan, the investment could be well worth it. Overall, the Kingston KSM 48T40BD 8KI 32HA is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop's memory. It offers a significant boost in speed and capacity, making it ideal for demanding tasks and improving overall system responsiveness. If your laptop supports DDR5 SODIMM and you're in need of a performance boost, this Kingston module is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to check compatibility with your specific laptop model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.